It's Sunday morning here and we are making akara. Akara is one food that takes a lot of process and time to make. But not to worry, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to make it without wasting so much time. So now let's get right into the video. We are going to be needing beans. You can use any beans of your choice, but here I'm using brown beans. I added some water to fill up the bowl into the beans. Then I soak for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the beans is already soft and the skin can easily go off the beans. I then transfer my beans into my heavy duty blender to help me take off the skin in no time. But guess what? The power of this blender is so strong that it was crushing my beans. Kojuma Ribi, I decided to transfer it back into my bowl and then proceeded to use my hand. But at this time, the beans was already soft, so it took me less time to be able to take off the skin. Because the beans is already soft, so I was just using my hands to rub off the beans together. Then the skin was coming out so easily. I did this for about 4 times using the same water. Then when I saw that there are less shafts in the water, I decided to change the water and took out all the shafts out of the beans. After I was done peeling the beans, I then transferred them into my heavy duty blender to do the work for me. I transferred the entire beans into the blender, then went in with a blend of pepper and onions. I used red pepper, fresh onions and some chili pepper. So I added a little water. Akara does not necessarily need a lot of water. Little water is enough because you want your akara. You don't want your akara to be too soft and soggy. So a little water is enough to blend it. Once you are done blending your beans, you should be looking out for this kind of consistency. Something that is not too thick, not too watery. Go ahead and whisk it with your mixer. You can decide to use your spatula or a hand mixer. Mix it thoroughly until you have a fluffy-like texture. You can add chopped onions if you wish. Add some salt and some crayfish. That is also optional. That is if you want. Whisk everything together to combine the ingredients. Then go ahead and heat up some oil for frying. You see that the oil is hot. Begin to scoop in your batter into the oil. Fry on medium-low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then once you see that it is golden brown, flip to the other side and also fry for 2 to 3 minutes. After frying, you can decide to line a paper towel in a flat plate or a sieve, then transfer all your bean cake inside it so that the paper towel will extract the excess oil that is in the bean cake. Repeat the same process until you have exhausted all your batter. What is Akara without having something to pair it with? You can decide to pair it with whatever you have at your disposal. But here I decided to make some custard to pair mine with. Add some milk and sugar, and everybody loved it and we all enjoyed it. So thanks for watching. If you are here to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe. It's absolutely free. You are paying nothing to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment for me, turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. See you on my next one, and bye for now.